In this video, we're going to determine the net change for the function between two values. And we're going to find also the average rate of change for the function between two values. To find the net change for a function between two values here, we can consider the first value is t equal to, and the second value is t equal to plus h. There is a formula for net change that we can say for two values between a and b. The formula is f of a minus f of b minus f of a. In this case, we can consider a as 2, and we can consider b as 2 plus h. Now that we have this, we can find f of b. F of b is the same thing saying f of 2 plus h. We substitute t everywhere in the function f of t, ICT. I would replace it by 2 plus h. So we end up having 2 plus h square minus 2 times 2 plus h. Now, 2 plus h square, we can use the property a plus b square give you a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now, the first one power 2 plus 2 times the first one by the second one plus the second one power 2. That's for the first term right here. And then we distribute the negative 2. Negative 2 times 2 give you negative 4. Negative 2 times h give us negative h. Now, with this one as it is, let's say it's going to give us 4 plus 4h plus h square minus 4 minus 2h. Okay, now by distributing, we have h square left, all right? And we have 4 plus 4h, okay, minus 4 minus 2h. So we're going to have h square. 4 minus 4 is gone. 2h minus 2h, 4h minus 2h, we have 2h left. This is for f of b. Now, we can also find f of a, which is f of 2. Go back in the function, we substitute everywhere we see. We have 2 square minus 2 times 2. So 2 square is 4 minus 4 give us 0. Now, if we go net change equal f of b minus f of a, let's substitute. F of b is h square plus 2h minus f of a. F of a is 0. So finally, net change is h square plus 2h. Okay. The second question they ask us to do is to find the average rate of change. Average rate of change of the function between two values a and b. The formula to find the average rate of change is f of b minus f of a over b minus a. Remember, we said a is 2 and b is 2 plus h. And because we already compute f of a minus f of b, I can simply substitute f of a minus f of b. What did we find for it? It's h squared plus 2h. What is a? A is 2. What is b? B is 2 plus h. So we're having 2 plus h. This is b minus a. A is 2. So when we simplify the denominator, we have left only h. Because in the numerator, we have h as a common factor. We can factor h in the numerator. So if from h squared, if we pull out h, we have only h left. In the second term, 2h, if we pull out h, we have 2 left over h. When h is not equal to 0, we can simplify, and the final answer would be h plus 2. And this is the average rate of change for the function between t equal to and t equal to plus h. Hope this example help you to better understand how to determine the net change for a functions and the average rate of change of a functions. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.